Hey guys, James here, back online after quite a bit of time away, and like most of the rest of you right now, completely housebound. So I thought I'd take this week to just weigh in on some of my thoughts and tricks for training while at home. I'm somebody who likes to move a lot, and this last week has been quite a big adjustment for me. To be confined to a much smaller space than I usually have access to. And another thing I'd like to talk about, which I'll talk about in this video today, is also the motivation to start training, or the motivation to get things done when you're at home and when your environment doesn't really change. A big problem I imagine a lot of people have is you wake up and actually every day just looks the same as the last one. It's much harder than normal to give yourself a reason to get out of bed. So what I'm going to advise doing for the rest of this week is don't change your morning routine at all. Still wake up and get ready as if you were going to go to work, school, whatever it is you normally do. That means waking up at the normal time, getting washed, getting breakfast, getting dressed. Maybe you could dress into different clothes, but you're still going to get dressed just the same as if you were going to get going with your regular day. The reason for this is something that you should have built a bit of a habit into doing already, and once we kind of get the ball rolling, once you get a bit of momentum going, it's usually a lot easier to then convince yourself to do things. It's usually the very first hurdle that you need to get over. That is the most difficult one. But if you choose a task that's really not that difficult, that's something that you're used to doing anyway, it can really set you up with the intention of getting work done, getting workouts done, getting your regular work done, going forward. So try that out. Also, let me know any other issues you've got with using your home as a training space, whether it's the size, equipment, any troubles that you're having. Gareth also, I've seen, has uploaded some of his home workouts as well, so if you're stuck for ideas, you can try those out. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.